Welcome to 540 Maintenance, a web series brought to you by DataDis, where we'll discuss the industry with different guests, partners, associations, and industry experts. Why 540 Maintenance? Because at DataDis, we exceed expectations. For us, 360 degrees is not enough. We take your maintenance to 540 degrees. Follow us for a different web series where we talk about serious subjects without taking ourselves too seriously. Last month, my team and I were at TruckWorld, and we decided to bring you guys on this journey.
Hi guys, I'm here with Catherine.
Yeah, we're really excited to be here at TruckWorld. There's a bunch of our partners here, so I thought we could go and ask them some questions.
Yeah, let's go.
Jazz Bouchard, EVP of Sales and co-founder with Isaac Instruments. So Isaac provides in-cab technology that's much more than an ELD. We actually help fleet optimize their processes, and we help their truck drivers go do their pickups, their deliveries at the right location using the telematic device that we put in the vehicle. So Isaac really develops a very intuitive, very easy to use solution that drivers love because it's easy for them to use. I think our focus is really on simplifying trucking. I mean, Isaac really tries to get the trucking operations simpler. Again, like thinking of the driver, we look at what are the frustrations that they have driving a truck today that we can remove from them. And that's all about like, let's keep their hands on the wheel so they can drive and haul freight, make money, because that's what they're there for. And just keep things very simple for them to complete, but at the same time keep them compliant. We want them to be like, we don't want them to be stressed with the fact that they're driving and the fact that they could, run out of hours or be found out of compliance. We just want to make sure that they got what they need and got the right tools to get the job done and be happy drivers that stay long for the client that we are supporting.
So my name is Emma and I work as a sales agent and customer service for the company Anytrek Canada.
My name is Kim and I'm the sales coordinator for Anytrek Canada. Our company simply do trailer tracking and we're specialized in non-powered equipment.
The originality of where the GPS is, it's super covered and it's one of a kind.
And the solution is also really easy to install and the platform is really user-friendly.
My name is Justin Watson. I'm the sales rep for Ontario for DataDis. DataDis offers maintenance solutions for garages, shops, and mechanics. The software allows you to fully utilize all of the data and information that your shop can bring and automates it to give you the most amount of information. The importance of a good integration between two different solutions is one that passes the information back and forth and keeps it the same across both solutions. The reason why an organization wants this is because you want solutions that really communicate to each other so you're getting the most accurate data as well as centralizes the information as a whole.
The integration just makes the life a lot easier for the driver. A good integration provides the good directions, the good instructions to your driver.
I like the fact that all our customers, our similar customers, can use the same platform. And when they arrive at the office in the morning, they don't have to like search, for this or that. It's all in the same platform.
And when the integration is really well done, we can really have the driver just follows the steps one by one to get through things, right? To get through his trip. So he's gonna start from his hooking the trailer, to the loading, to the unloading, to the dropping the trailer. Like you will do this full circle of service being guided by Isaac, just getting the next steps one after the other. Right? When you want the driver to scan a bill of lading, scan a proof of delivery, he will just get it through the workflow. So we just keep it simple for it.
A good partnership is a long-term relation to their customers and also a new relation to grow our business together and apart.
So partnerships are essential. Partnerships are key to make sure that we can grow together with the other products that the company, that our customer is using. Because at the end of the day, Isaac doesn't live alone. Isaac relies on the dispatch software that they're using, and the maintenance software that the company is using, and all those products work together in an ecosystem. And our goal is to try to bring the automation together. So, operations get what they need automated, so that maintenance get what they need automated. And at the end of the day, such that the driver has an easy experience in the cab and just keeps the wheels turning and is happy just driving for the company, not playing with technology in the truck necessarily. It's got to be super easy.
When a company is looking for a CMMS software, they want to find one that fits their needs the best. They want something that's going to mold to their processes and not change them to a rigid schedule like other solutions out there.
Our goal is not just to sell a tablet and a recorder. Our goal is to provide a solution that will help the carrier improve their operation. For us, this is key, and this is key in a good partnership. It's important for us to understand the client's business if we want to be able to help them.
And I think the most important is the easiness of using the product and the installation, and also no contract is required with our company.
Isaac is technology that you're buying. That technology goes fast, technology evolves. When customers and partners, when they buy the solution from Isaac, they need to buy it for what it does today, but they want us to keep investing in that innovation so that we keep getting better and better, and they can stay with us for the long run, so they can leverage those integrations that they had to build and the training they had to give their employees to use our solution so they could use it for the long term. The other thing is you need to look at, what kind of support am I gonna get from them? It's not all just to get a good product, but are they gonna be there when I need help? Are they gonna be there when I need to fix issues? At the end of the day, it's still technology. Well, it's not always perfect. The question is, are they gonna be there when I need them and fix things and get things working again?
What's your spirit animal and why?
Oh boy.
Oh my God. I don't know.
I will say a beer, because outside my job, I'm a mama, so my job is to protect my kids.
Spirit animal.
My job is to protect my team and my product, so
A bear.
A bear.
A bear.
Yeah.
That's a really good question.
And you, Emma?
I don't know. I'm really no.
Hey guys, I have no clue. I'm blank. Ask me another question about Isaac.
Give one to Emma.
Yeah.
I would say definitely something like a lion or a tiger, because she's when she's onto prospecting, she jumps on her client. She also super kind and protective too.
Aw.
Yeah. So I guess it's the eagle. I don't know why though, guys.
Thank you for watching part 1. Stay tuned for part 2 with some other partners.